Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video I will be showing you this look with the hairstyle. Personally this is my most favorite look. I'm not a Muslim but I literally love this look. So आज की वीडियो में यही दिखाऊंगी. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video.
First, I am using Dabur Gulabari Rose Water to clean my face with a cotton. To prep my face, I am using Color Essence Primer. It will clog the pores and eventually gives you a smooth base. To hide dark circles, I am using Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer, which is exactly the same shade to that of my skin tone. Now for foundation, I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 115 Ivory and then blending it with the help of a beauty blender for natural coverage. Now to highlight some parts, I am using Age Event Concealer in the shade 100 Ivory, which is slightly brighter than my skin tone, and then blending it with a beauty blender. To set my foundation, I am using Fit Me Compact in the shade 109 Light Ivory. I am using a small beauty blender for same. And to set concealer, I am using loose powder from Color Essence. For my brows, I am using Swiss Beauty Shape My Brow palette. And then brushing my brows using a spoolie brush. Now bronzing my face, and for the bronzer, I am using Leon Beauty Blush palette. For the eyeshadow, I am using Hilary Rhoda palette and choosing the green color. Now I am using golden shimmer under the crease and blending it with a fluffy brush. I am completing my look by using kajal from Blue Heaven, eyeliner from In Color, and mascara from Blue Heaven. For glowing skin, I am using Swiss Beauty Liquid Highlighter. Then I am using Swiss Beauty Lip Liner. And lipstick from Inside Cosmetics. Now I am setting my makeup using a makeup fixer from Leon Beauty. Now watch the steps for the hairstyle, it's easy. The links of all the products used in this video plus my social media handles are given in the description box, so you can go and check it out. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find it helpful, then do share it with your friends and family and like this video. Do subscribe to my channel for more such interesting content. Till then, bye guys.